Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is spontaneous. Let's learn what it means. Spontaneous means doing something naturally, without planning it beforehand. A spontaneous action happens in the moment. Here's an example. We made a spontaneous decision to go for ice cream after dinner. This means the decision was made suddenly, without planning it earlier. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word spontaneous? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.